Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Fix Everything channel. This channel is dedicated to sharing technical repair experiences on everything I know, from printers, photocopiers, and computers to household electrical techniques. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the HP LaserJet P1102w printer issue where it fails to pick up paper. Please watch the video and support us by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting to help this video reach those who need it. Watch closely as the paper pickup issue occurs. Sometimes the printer attempts to pick up the paper twice before succeeding, or in more severe cases, it fails to pick up the paper entirely. You will need to open the printer cover and remove the toner cartridge. Then, inside the printer, around the middle section, and you will see the paper pickup roller. Over time, the paper pickup roller wears out, and the rubber may deteriorate or become sticky. You should use a flathead screwdriver, just like I'm doing, to gently pry apart both sides. This will make it easier to remove the old roller and replace it with the new paper pickup roller. This paper pickup roller is already damaged, everyone. And here is the new paper pickup roller that I will install for this printer. Now, I will reinstall the toner cartridge, run a test print, and check the results. Success! Right after the first paper separation, the printer picked up the paper immediately and smoothly. Thank you for watching and subscribing to support me. See you in the next videos.